It doesn't end. Now we're going to do how to make a bar chart. Okay, so again, let's go down here to sheet 1. We have all our data here. We are going to begin in cell J1, and we're going to enter this data here. So we have Facebook, geez, I'm having a hard time typing right now. Instagram is 38%. YouTube is 29%. Twitter is 26%. Okay, now we're going to do J1, hold the shift key down to K5. All right, click insert, we're gonna make a chart. We'll just go to our little chart picture here. And there's that pie chart again. We don't want a pie chart though. We want a bar chart right here. So we're gonna click this one. Okay, now we have a bar chart. Bar, or as we say in Boston, a bar chart. I lived in Boston for 4.5 years. Okay, now we're gonna add data labels. Do you remember how to do that? So we go to customize and we go to series and we say data labels, and there it is. So nice. And then we have to put a chart title. Do you remember how to do that? Okay, right? Chart and axis titles. Chart title, title text, it says to call it percent of people who check social media several times per day. Cool. Let's change that. Let's fix that typo though. Per day. Okay, now we've got it. Looks good. Move it to its own page with our clicking on these 3 dates. Move dots, I mean not dates, dots. Move to its own sheet. Looks great. Okay, change the name down here and we will say bar chart. Okay, and that's it for making a bar chart.